In order not to lower the pressure throughout the installation, I turn off the valves and thus cut off the radiator from the installation. Remember what position the valve was in if you want the installation to work the same way after adding the inhibitor. At the valve with the regulator, I check that it is properly fixed. I open it and draw the ring. I close the valve when the ring is tightened. I'll show you why I'm doing this. If the regulator is not tightened correctly, the valve may not close completely. I loosen the cap between the valve and the radiator. For the water to flow out freely, it is good to open the vent valve. My vessel has 1 liter of capacity, which is as much as I can pour an inhibitor. I'll use an old hose to connect to the washing machine and a damaged ball valve. I just need threads of the right size. You can use an adapter instead of a valve. You don't need a lot of sealing tape. There won't be hot pressure here. Good luck.